The leaky faucet.
Sarah, do you hear that dripping sound?
Yes, I do. What's that noise?
I think the kitchen faucet is leaking.
Oh no, not again. Is it really bad?
It's just dripping, but it's very annoying.
Can we fix it ourselves this time?
I think so. We just need a new washer.
What's a washer?
It's a small rubber ring inside the handle.
Do we have one in our toolbox?
Let me check. No, we don't.
Okay, we can go to the hardware store.
Good idea. We need some plumber's tape too.
Is that the white tape?
Yes, it helps stop the water.
Is the hardware store open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 tonight.
Great. Let's turn off the water first.
Right. The valve is under the sink.
Can you reach it okay?
Yes, I'm turning it right now.
Did the dripping stop?
Yes, it's completely dry now.
Perfect. Let's get our coats.
Where are the car keys?
They're on the kitchen counter.
Got them. Let's go get that washer.
Great. Let's go.
Changing a light bulb. Uri's Megastes. Changing a light bulb.
Hey Emma, can you turn on the living room light?
I'm trying, but nothing's happening.
Oh, is the bulb burnt out?
I think so. It flickered yesterday.
We need to change it.
Do we have a spare bulb?
Yes, there's one in the hall closet.
Let me go get it.
Thanks. I'll get the ladder.
Is the ceiling very high?
Yes, I can't reach it without the ladder.
Here's the new bulb. Is it the right size?
Let me see. Yes, this is perfect.
Is the light switch off?
No, it's still on. Turn it off, please.
Okay, it's off now.
Great. Safety first.
Be careful on that ladder.
Don't worry. It's very stable.
I'll hold it for you.
Thanks. Now I'm unscrewing the old bulb.
Is it hot?
A little bit. But it's okay.
Here's the new one.
Okay, I'm screwing it in now.
Is it tight?
Yes, it's secure. Try the switch now.
Wow, it works. Great job.
The squeaky door.
Olivia, that bedroom door is so loud.
I know, it squeaks every time we open it.
It wakes me up at night.
We need to fix those hinges.
Do we have any lubricant?
I think we have some WD-40.
Where is it?
It's in the cabinet under the stairs.
Let me look. Ah, here it is.
Does it have the little red straw?
Yes, it's taped to the side.
Perfect. That helps direct the spray.
Can you open the door wide?
Sure. Like this?
Yes, hold it right there.
Are you going to spray the top hinge?
Yes. I'll start with the top one first.
Don't use too much spray.
Don't worry, I have a paper towel to wipe it.
Good idea. It can drip on the floor.
Okay, I'm spraying the bottom hinge now.
I hope this works.
Now, Move the door back and forth.
Let's see. It's still a bit noisy.
Move it a few more times.
Oh. Now the sound is completely gone.
It's so quiet now.
Thank goodness. No more squeaks.
Unclogging the sink. Unclogging the sink.
Sophia, the water isn't draining in the sink.
Let me see. Oh, it's filling up fast.
Yes, it's definitely clogged.
Is there hair in the drain?
Probably. Let me try to pull it out.
Use this old plastic hanger.
I don't see anything near the top.
Maybe we need the plunger?
Do we have a sink plunger?
Yes. There's a small red one in the laundry room.
Can you grab it for me?
Here you go.
Let's put some water in the sink first.
Why do we need water?
The plunger needs water to make a seal.
Ah, I see. That makes sense.
Okay, I'm going to push down now.
Push hard, but be careful.
I'm doing it. Look, some bubbles are coming up.
Is the water going down?
Yes, look, it's draining quickly now.
It worked. That was fast.
Let's run some hot water to clean it.
Good idea. Let's leave it running for a minute.
It's draining perfectly now.
No more standing water.
I'll clean the plunger and put it away.
Thanks, Leo. You did a great job.
Assembling a chair.
Mia, can you help me assemble this chair?
Sure. Is it the new office chair?
Yes, it just arrived in this big box.
Let's open it and find the instructions first.
Here they are. They look quite simple.
Let's count all the pieces.
Okay, we have the seat, the backrest, and the legs.
Where are the screws?
They're in this small plastic bag.
Does it include an Allen key?
Yes, it's right here in the bag.
Great. We don't need our tools then.
Step 1 says to attach the wheels to the base.
Okay, do they just push in?
Yes, you just push them hard until they click.
I'll do that part. Here's one.
Now we need to attach the metal plate to the seat.
Which screws do we use for that?
The long ones. There are 4 of them.
I see them. Let's line up the holes.
Can you hold the plate while I tighten them?
Sure, I'm holding it steady.
Great, this is going very fast.
Now we just put the seat on the base.
Yes, it just slots into the center.
Let me lift it. There, it's in.
Let me sit on it to test it.
How is it? Is it comfortable?
A loose cabinet handle.
Lily, this cabinet handle is really loose.
Oh, it's very wobbly.
I'm afraid it's going to fall off.
Do we have a screwdriver?
Yes, in the kitchen drawer.
Let me get it for you.
Make sure it's a Phillips head screwdriver.
What does that look like?
It has a cross shape on the tip, not flat.
Okay, I see. I found it.
Let me see the screw on the inside of the door.
Is it loose?
Yes, it's almost all the way out.
No wonder the handle was moving.
Can you hold the handle from the outside?
Yes, I'm holding it straight.
Perfect. Now I'm turning the screw.
Is it turning easily?
Yes, but I want to make sure it's tight.
Don't over tighten it or you might break the wood.
You're right. I'll stop now.
How does it feel?
It feels very solid now.
Let me try opening the cabinet.
Go ahead. Is it okay?
Yes, it doesn't move at all now.
Great. Let's check the other handles.
Good idea. Some others might be loose too.
The running toilet.
Grace, do you hear that water running?
Yes, it sounds like the upstairs toilet.
It has been running for an hour.
Let's go look at it.
I'll take off the tank lid.
Be careful, it's heavy and ceramic.
I'll place it gently on the rug.
What's happening inside?
The water level is too high.
Is the float valve stuck?
Yes, it's caught on the side of the tank.
Can you adjust it?
Let me see if I can move it.
Did it click? Changer.
Yes, but the chain looks too tight too.
Which chain?
The metal chain connected to the flapper.
Oh, the rubber part at the bottom?
Yes, it's not closing completely.
Let's adjust the chain length.
I'm making it one link longer.
Let's try flushing it now.
Okay, I'm flushing.
The water is filling up now.
Let's wait and see if it stops.
Look, the valve closed and the water stopped.
Excellent. No more running water.
Let's put the heavy lid back on.
Bicycle flat tire.
Chloe, my front bicycle tire is totally flat.
Oh, that's too bad. We wanted to go for a ride.
Let's find the puncture and fix it.
Do we have a patch kit?
Yes. It's in my bike bag.
Let's get a bucket of water too.
Why do we need water?
To find the leak, bubbles will come out.
That's a great trick.
First, let's take the wheel off.
Done. Now I'll remove the inner tube.
Use these tire levers so you don't pinch it.
Thanks. I have the tube out now.
Let's pump some air into it.
Okay, I'm pumping it up.
Now, put the tube in the water bucket.
Look right there. There are tiny bubbles.
I see them. Mark that spot with this chalk.
Let me dry the tube first.
Now we need to scratch the surface.
Yes, with this sandpaper from the kit.
Put the glue on next.
Okay, I'm applying the glue now.
Wait a minute for the glue to dry slightly.
Now I'll press the patch down firmly.
Hold it there for 30 seconds.
Perfect. Let's put it back in the tire.
Great. Then we can finally go for our ride.
Fixing a tear.
Ava. I have a big rip in my favorite jacket.
Let me see. Oh, it's right on the sleeve seam.
Can we fix it? It's very cold outside.
Yes, we can easily sew this.
Do you have a sewing kit?
Yes, it's in the top drawer of the desk.
I'll get it. Here it is.
We need black thread to match the jacket.
Is this black thread okay?
Yes, that's a perfect match.
Which needle should we use?
Use a thin needle so it doesn't leave big holes.
Can you thread the needle for me? My eyes are tired.
Sure, give it to me. They're done.
Wow, you're fast at that.
Now, let's tie a knot at the end of the thread.
I'll hold the sleeve flat for you.
Thanks. I'm starting from the inside,
Why the inside?
so the knot is hidden.
That makes sense. Your stitches are very neat.
I'm just following the old seam line.
Is it almost finished?
Yes, just 2 more stitches.
Let me get the scissors.
Okay. Cut the thread right here.
It looks brand new. You can't even see the rip.
Excellent. Now you can wear it today.
Cleaning the AC filter.
Zoe, the air conditioner isn't blowing cold air.
Really? It was fine yesterday.
I think the filter is dirty.
Let's check it. When did we last clean it?
I don't remember. Maybe 6 months ago?
Oh, that's too long. It must be very dusty.
How do we open the front panel?
There are 2 small latches on the sides.
Let me pull them. Ah, it opened.
Look at that filter. It's completely gray.
Wow. There is so much dust on it.
No wonder the air can't pass through.
I'll slide the filter out carefully.
Don't shake it, or the dust will fly everywhere.
Should we vacuum it?
We can rinse it in the shower instead.
Is water okay for this type of filter?
Yes, it's plastic. Water is perfect.
Let's use lukewarm water.
Look at all that dirt washing away.
It's white again.
We must let it dry completely before putting it back.
I'll put it on a towel in the sun.
It should be dry in about an hour.
Great. Then we can slide it back in.
It will blow much colder air now.
Yes, and we'll save energy too.
Let's remember to do this every month.